that doesn't mean your application is rejected. Everything gets captured in the credit history. Take it only if you can pay it on time. Hi guys, this is Diwakar from MyMoneyKarma. So I have been dealing with home loans and mortgage loans for the past 3 years. Today I'm going to answer questions related to home loans. People need to be wise while applying for a loan. Apply for a loan when you can easily pay the EMI of that loan, when you can clear it off in the given tenure. If you have a home in your mind for future, please try to avoid taking unnecessary loans, because even if it's a small amount, it does get captured in your credit history, and one bounce can give you a very negative feedback. There is one thing that I want each and every consumer to know and to understand. This is the major reason why most of the loans get rejected upfront, and that is called settlement. Now, what is a settlement? I'll give you a classic example of credit cards. Most of the employed people, they get eligible for a credit card of sometimes like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So there are people who are eligible for 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs as well. Now, when you take this credit card, what happens is most of your shopping, you do it with the credit cards. So when you're in a mall, excited about the products available in a mall or in a showroom, and you're like, chalo credit card hai na, pay kar denge, baad mein dekh lenge. Let us say you are in a pub, when you're in an abbreviated state, you want few more drinks, you want to impress someone with a gift, with a free drink, and you swipe your card without thinking about the fact that maybe you're reaching your limit, and the next month it got bounced, maybe the payments got delayed. Everything gets captured in the credit history. Everything gets captured in the credit history. And there came a position where you might lose a job, or you're bankrupt, you're not able to pay your credit card bills anymore, or maybe it's a small personal loan where you're not able to pay the EMI anymore because you don't have a job or your business is down. What happens is, sometimes the consumers, they approach the bank for a settlement by paying an amount that is lesser than what exactly has to be paid. In this case, the bank tags it as a settlement, and that can be seen in your credit history, which is a bad thing. When a credit operations guy looks into it, it's not something impressive. So I would suggest you to stay away from it. If you guys have any such questions related to home loans or mortgage loans, just drop it in the comment box and we will answer them for you. I'm going to give a classic example of one of my customers. I will not name him. The customer was eligible in every possible way except the blot in the credit history. There were 2 credit card settlements about almost 9 months ago. Those 2 settlements were the reason why his file did not pass through. So he did get the loan through an NBFC, but the rate of interest was higher. If those 2 settlements were not there, he would have been offered the best rate of interest in the bank. So don't miss out on such opportunities because of these settlements or bounces in your EMI or credit card payments. If you're taking a credit card, use it wisely. If you're taking a loan, check the amount wisely and take it only if you can pay it on time. If your home loan gets rejected, you need to understand the reason why it got rejected. If the bank says that we will not offer you this amount but a lesser amount, that doesn't mean your application is rejected. It means the bank is asking you to change the loan amount. It says that we will give you the money but a lesser amount. So that's not a rejection. But if it's a rejection where the bank says that no, we cannot give you the money, you need to talk to the bank officials or your relationship manager or the sales manager involved in it to understand exactly why it got rejected. In this case, you will learn the issue with your profile. You will have an opportunity to correct it when you understand it. And if it's something to do with credit score, you better don't apply again within the next month, or you better don't apply in a bank that is of the similar standard in the market where it might be rejected for the same reason. So if it's credit score, what are you supposed to do? You need to correct your credit score. How do you do it? You can take a small personal loan or a gold loan for a small tenure, pay it properly and close it. That will bring your credit score up. If it's something to do with your property, if there is something related, if there is a missing documentation, you better go to that particular government department, apply for the document, get it done, and then apply for the loan. If it's something to do with your technicality, then you better go to the register office, see what exactly has gone wrong, get those things corrected in paper, and apply again. So you need to know what the problem is, rectify it, and then come back after a certain period of time. If your home loan is rejected today, do not apply in the very next month. Take some time, rectify the issue, and then go for it. If you feel that I have missed out on some important point in this video related to home loans, do mention it and we'll look into it. If you guys like this video, if you find this informative and helpful, do like us and subscribe for our channel.